Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn a simple floor plan into a beautiful realistic render in Photoshop. Stick around till the end. And hey, please subscribe my channel for more useful videos like this. From plain floor plan to realistic render. Trust me, you are going to love this transformation. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the little bell so you never miss a tutorial. Alright, let's start by exploring our floor plan as an image. This is super important so we have a clean base to work with. Keep each item as a separate layer. It might sound small, but it makes coloring and editing so much easier later. I am using this grunge stone surface texture as my background. You can use whatever you like. Okay, time to jump into Photoshop. Right click your texture image and open it in Photoshop. From the top menu, click Edit, define pattern, give it a name so you can find it later. And go back, right click our floor plan PDF and open it in Photoshop. Create a new layer, double click it, go to bevel and emboss, then select texture and choose the pattern we just defined. At the bottom of the layers panel, click the new fill or adjustment layer icon and choose solid color. Right click that layer, convert it to smart object, double click the layer name and type background. Go to our first imported layer, double click its name and call it plan. Right click the plan layer, choose color and select a label color so we can easily keep track. Create a new layer and name it wall. Double click, color overlay, color picker, enter the color code. Go to the plan layer, double click, color overlay, color picker and enter the code. Go to the plan layer, use the magic wand tool to select the wall areas. Then go back to the wall area and press Alt Delete to fill it. Create a new layer and name it flooring. Double click, color overlay, color picker and enter the code. Select the flooring portion in the plan layer, then fill them in the flooring layer using Alt Delete. Create another new layer called flooring 2. Double click, color overlay and enter the color code. Select the secondary flooring portion in the plan layer and fill them in. Create a new layer and name it furniture. Double click color overlay, choose your furniture color. Go to the plan layer, select the furniture portion and fill them in the furniture layer. Missed a spot, right? Go to the layer, select and refill it. Now drag your landscape PDF into Photoshop and position it where you want. Go to the landscape layer, double click color overlay and add the color code. Drag your text PDF into Photoshop, position it, double click, color overlay and enter the color code. Go back to the plan layer, drop shadow and enter the color code. Apply the same shadow settings to all other layers so they all match and look cohesive. A drag layer above or below each other to organize your design. A clean layer panel is your best friend. Now save your project as a PSD so you can edit it later. Time to export a final plan as an PNG. Go to File, Save As, choose PNG and we are done. And that's it. Our floor plan is now fully rendered in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, please subscribe my channel for more tutorial like this and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.